Less than 2 weeks from Black Friday. No.
That's right.
Is it less than 2 weeks?
You read correctly.
Bargain hunters have their buying bullseye on Target.
Yes, the retailer's ad leaked overnight. Team 12's Nicole Zymek joins us with what they are offering. So, Nicole, what can we expect to see?
Brandon, we're talking flat screens, iPads, Apple products, all the goodies, and we're getting a sneak peek this morning. Now, here's the look at the ad that we're talking about. In recent years, stores have started revealing their deals earlier, and Forbes this year reported that Target was expected to publish their ads around November 8th. So it looks like we're just a couple of days early here. Now, the ad has 36 pages. I won't be able to show you everything. So let's try and get to some of the highlights. Now, all of their TVs are on sale. The LG Smart UHD TV is $200 off. GoPro Heroes, $350. That's $50 off the normal price. Gamers, listen up. The Sony PlayStation 4-1 TV console is $100 off. And Call of Duty, if you need something to play on that, $45. That's the regular price, $60. Now let's move on to something that I bet a lot of people are excited about, and that's Apple products. Now, if you buy the iPhone 8 or 8 Plus, that comes with a $250 gift card. And if you're looking for a new iPad, you can get the Apple iPad Pro with the 10.5 inch screen TV. Rather, the 10.5-inch screen for $530. That's $120 off. And that is just the tip of the iceberg, because there are 36 pages of these ads. Now, doors open at 6 p.m. on Thanksgiving. They're going to close at midnight, but then they reopen again at 6 a.m. So lots of time to do all of your Christmas shopping early. Emma, Brandon.